What's up, guys? 6 box mixture random teams number 1. Going live. Timestamp 313. Already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both. Dice has to be 4 or more. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times on the teams. Texans on top, Ravens on the bottom. ACSJHH is your code for the teams. Let's do the names. 4 more. It's a 5. 5 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dave Jenkins on top. Brian Kolish on the bottom. HDHFEP is the code for the names. Boom. There's who you got. Dave landing the Texans. Maybe, just maybe, we can get a Deshaun. And we are done. 314, hurry. Got it. Thanks, guys.